Okay, hi guys, welcome back to Singapore Math Tutors. So I'm Jiayuan, and continuing back from our previous introduction on direct and inverse proportion. Okay, I would like to go through with you some questions. Okay, this is one of the more challenging ones. Okay, so let's start. So it is given that y is inversely proportional to x squared. So immediately when you see this sentence here, right? Okay, write this out so that you get a clear picture. Okay, so once you write this out, and then they said that it is known that y equals 440 for a particular value of x, means that if I put 440 in, okay, x is something, okay, x has like one particular value, okay, then find the value of y when this value of x is decreased by 60%. So now they give you this clue here saying that what happens when x is decreased by 60%. Okay, so so if you think about it, when you decrease x from 100% to 60%, it will be 40%, right? And then 40% written in is not very nice to deal with like percentage here, because it's quite hard to manipulate, right? So we would write it in 0.4 in decimal form, which is much easier. Okay, so now x instead of one whole, it became 0.4 times of x. Okay, it decreased. Okay, so what happened is that we have this new x in here and then square. Okay, so remember it's not 0.4 x square. Okay, because y is inversely proportional to x squared, right? So you can see it like that. So the one whole of x squared, right? So the one whole of x is in the brackets, okay? So now we have decreased x and not x squared, okay? We have decreased x by 60%. So it doesn't become this. Okay, no, it doesn't become this. It becomes 0.4 sorry, 0.4 x squared, okay, with a bracket outside. Okay, just take note of that, it's very important. Okay, so after you get this, okay, maybe we can do some manipulation. Say I take this 1.44 square out and then leaving this behind. So as you can see, this one here, it coincides, right? So this is actually y, the old y, because y is equals to kx squared. So this one in the yellow box here, it's y, correct? And then since y is equals to this and y is equals to 440, since they specify that y is equals to 440, right? So what we have is that we can find the value of y, okay, when this value of x is decreased by 60%. So it is no longer 440 like before. This new y, okay, this is y prime that I've stated here, see? So this new y prime, this new y or y prime is equals to 2750. Okay, so I hope this working is clear. They say find the value means that they want a specific integer value, okay, when the value of x is decreased by 60%. So they want to solve the new y value, okay, not the 440. All right, so I hope this is clear, and this is a very common question, more challenging one, because it tests your understanding, and a lot of students make mistakes, like for example, like I say just now, 0.4 x squared. Okay, it is not, it is x the one that's decreased by 60%, not x squared the one that's decreased by by 60%. Sorry. Yep. Okay, it's not x squared the one that's decreased by 60%. It is x the one that's decreased by 60%. So you have to take it all Okay, you have to take the whole x, and then therefore we have this, and then bracket the whole thing and then square it. Okay, thank you so much. In the next lesson we'll do more challenging question on this. Okay, thank you.